we will guide you through how to create vicinity map in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening your web browser such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge from your computer and go to maps.𝗟𝗪𝗏.com. Search for the location where you want to create the vicinity map or move around the map manually until you find the correct area. Select standard toner from the available map styles to display the map with a clear black and white appearance. Zoom in or out using the plus and minus buttons or your mouse wheel until the surrounding roads, buildings, neighborhoods, and landmarks are easy to identify. Position the map carefully so the project location and nearby features are clearly visible. Review the map and make sure it provides enough surrounding information to explain the relationship between the project site and its surroundings. Capture the map using your computer's screenshot tool when the desired view is displayed correctly. Next, open AutoCAD and open your project drawing by clicking Open and selecting the required .dwg file, or create a new drawing by clicking New. Go to the Insert tab and locate the Image Attachment tools. Click Attach Image, browse to the saved screenshot, select it, and click Open. Specify an insertion point and place the map in the desired location. Set the appropriate scale, then use the Move command if the map needs repositioning. Use the Scale command whenever you need to resize the map while keeping its proportions. Add the title Vicinity Map using text. Use line or meter to mark the project location and identify important nearby roads or landmarks. Add a north arrow. Draw a border using the Rectangle command. Then save the drawing by clicking Save or pressing Ctrl+S.